Dear students, this is Dr. Hare Singh. I will be teaching you Dbms Lab program in this video today. We will start with the first week of the Dbms Lab program. The first program is about write the SQL command for creation, altering and dropping of the student table and inserting rows into a table. Use constraints while creating tables. Example using select command. So it means we have to create a student table. We have to create a student table here using SQL command, and in that we have to use the constraint also while creating the table, and then we have to insert some students detail in some in that student table, and then using some select command and others, we have to do some query. So let us start here. So here the code written, and I will be explaining you, and at the same time I will be executing these tables in the SQL software. So here the first thing is how to create the student table. So we write create table. These both are the keywords. Create a table. We are writing, before creating the student table, we have to create a department table, because using foreign key we will combine and join both the tables, department and student, because every student will be enrolled in some department. So create a table department, open parenthesis, department ID. This is the attribute name, department ID. Then int is the data type of department ID and primary key. In this department table, department ID is the primary key. Then next attribute of the department is department name, and its a data type is varchar 10. It means name of the department can be can range from 1 character to 10 character, and it should not be null. Then location, that is a varchar 10. Location means this department is located in where, that we have to write, and that's location name can vary from 1 character to 10 character, and we will close this one. So this is the code to create the department table. So let me execute this in the SQL. So I will take this and I will be executing it here. I will write, and see here table is created. Here already code was there, so I just copied and press the right click, the code created, and output came table created. But you people have to type these commands line by line, so that you will get better understanding. Now I want to see the schema of the department table. I can use the command dsp department, 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 yes, and see it came. So first name is department ID not null, then department name not null, and location varchar, only varchar, it can be null, and name null, type, this is the name of the attributes. This is a like whether it can be null or not, and this is the data type. So here department table is created. So next we will be creating the student table. So this is the code. So create a table student. The table name is student. So student, then open parenthesis, Parenthesis you can write here also, or I can write it here also, no problem. It looks better. Then the different attributes in student table is student ID. Its a type is integer, and it's a primary key in student. Then first name, and its data type is a variable char of maximum 10 characters. Means the first name can be of maximum 10 character. It can be 1 character or 2 character or 3 character up till maximum 10 character. It should not be null. Here for primary key, no need to give null or not null, because primary key by default itself it is a not null. Then last name, that is also a varchar of maximum 10 character, and that's a not null. Then email, one attribute we are adding, that is of varchar 15, and it should be unique. Unique means all the values, all the students, different students, each student their email ID should be unique, different. In this one, not null is not required, because by default it's this is also a not null, but one null value is allowed. For one student detail, null value can be allowed. And next one, date of birth, it's a data type is date. Then next one, department ID. Department ID, again we are inserting, because each student will belong to some department, and it's a data type is integer. And here one thing is there, like in department also department ID is there, and here student also department ID attribute is there. So here this in department table, department ID is a primary key, and here department ID it will be considered as a foreign key. It is a foreign key. So we have to establish a relationship between a department table and student table using the department ID. So we will create a constraint called foreign key department. The constraint name is foreign key, and foreign key is department ID. This is department ID. Foreign key department ID, which references to department. This is department ID. References department ID, and close the parenthesis with semicolon, and table will be created. Let us copy this one, and I will put it here again, and see, again table is created, student table is created. I can see the schema using describe, DAC STUDENT, student. Yes, it is coming. The different attributes created is student ID, first name, last name, email ID, date of birth, first name, last name, email ID, date of birth, and department ID. And here you can see that for student ID is the primary key. So primary key by default it is a not null. So here separately you don't have to write a not null while creating the table. Primary key itself it will be not null by default. Then here first name, last name is not null mentioned. This email ID is unique. As I said that email ID one value can be a null. So here not null, not required. It is not displayed here. Then date of birth, nothing is given, so date of birth not null, not there. And date of birth, data type is date, and again department ID, it's a integer or number. By default it comes to 38 digit. Yes, so this is how we created the student table. Now let us insert the values in a department. So here how many attributes are there in department? 1, 2, 3. So this is how we can insert the values one by one. So first I'll take this insert into department, insert into, that's keywords. Department is the table name, and value is again a keyword. Value we have to insert, and first attribute is the department ID, so that is a number, so 101. Second attribute is the department name, so CSE department. We should write in a single quote, and again next is the location, so our CSE department is in S block, suppose. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it here. I'll paste it here. I think it didn't get copied properly, so I'll just copy and I'll press enter. So one row is created, means this value inserted in the department table. Similarly, I'll take second row also, second line, and here it should be semicolon. So I'll take this one and I'll copy and paste it here. You people should type the program, you should not copy paste it. Again next line, I'll copy and I'll paste it here. So three students, three department detail are inserted here. So I want to see the data inserted in department, so I'll write select star from the table name is department and semicolon. So star is nothing but all the, it display all the attributes. Three attributes are there, it will display all the attributes. So see here what all values we inserted in the department, all values have displayed here. 101 CSE S block, 102 ECE R block, and 103 civil V block. Okay, next again let us insert some details in the student. Insert into student, insert into keywords, and student is the table name, values again it is a keyword. So it has how many attributes we have in student table? This one 1 2 3 4 5 6, total 6 attributes are there, so 6 values we have to insert. So one, that is student ID, student first name, student last name, then email ID, and we should write a to date, because date in this one Oracle has different formats. Some people they follow year, month, date. Some people they follow month, date, month, and year. So here we have to mention the date. We have to typecast it. So we are typecasting into to date using the keyword to date. We cannot insert directly 2005-15 because it's not that the format Oracle follows. So here we have to typecast. So to date, first year, month, and date. So here year, a month, and date, and then last is the department ID. So let me copy this and press it here, paste it here. Yes, one row created. Again second students detail, I will copy from here and I will paste it here. Again second row also created. Again third row I will copy from here and I will paste it. Yes, so it is created. Now we can display the inserted values in student using the same command, select star from student. So this is what we got, all the inserted value displayed it here. Now let us say select specific columns. So some queries we have to execute. Now suppose I want to display first name, last name and email ID of all the students. So I can use this command. Select first name, last name, email from student. Okay. Yes. This from you can write in the single line, or from this one you can write on different line also here. Yes, inserted it all the students first name, last name and email ID only it is displaying 3 students. Okay. Using select first name, last name and email ID. Okay, that's done. Next suppose you want to select all the students who belong to department 101. So we can use this command. Select star from star is nothing but it displays all the attributes. How many attributes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 attributes are there. So all the 6 attributes it will display from student table. Where department ID equal to 10, department ID equal to 10 is this one, John Doe. So John Doe and Alice both are living in department 101, they are working. So detail it is displayed 13. Okay student, next come to select with the sorting. So select, let me explain here, let me copy and press it here. Select star from student, it will display all this data from student, and order by last name ascending order. By it is a keyword, last name ascending order. The data should be displayed in such a way that it should be in ascending order with respect to last name. So last name is Doe, John and Smith. See, whole data it is displayed and it is sorted according to the last name. Okay, so select star from student, order by last name, ascending. AAC stand for ascending order. Okay. Next is select with aggregation. So I will just explain it here. Select department ID, so department ID and count, total count in each department how many students are there as student count, and the after counting that new attribute name we have given student count. So here new attribute name is student count as student. From student table we have to create select the data and group by department ID, and we have to group by department ID. So group by is a keyword and department ID is the attribute present in the department table, sorry, in student table. So here 101 depart in 101 2 students are there, and department 102 1 student. So here you can see that in department 101 John and Alice 2 students are there, in department 2 only 1 student is there, which is displayed it here. Next is how we can add a new column. So suppose phone number is not there in the table, I can total 6 attributes are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6. I can add one more attribute, 7th attribute. So alter table, alter using alter keyword, alter table name is student, and add, again it is a keyword, phone number. Yeah, that's a new attribute name, and data type of the phone number attribute is varchar2 15. We can use it, and let us see table altered, and let us see describe student. It's student student. So see that new attribute which is the phone number is added. So now total attributes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 attributes is there. Okay. So again modify an existing column. How we can modify a table using this command. Alter table department modify. We don't have to add a new attribute. We have to modify the existing attributes in the table. Location earlier that total location, where is it? Location here, location varchar2 12. I will just table alter. Earlier the location here described a department, right? So yes, here department total location is 10 character, varchar 10. So maximum 10 character can be there in department. Now I change it to 12. So now so total you can add a department name, location, and location name can be vary from 1 character to 12 character. So let us describe department, department. So total here location, it is altered, that is a 12. Earlier it was a 10 character. Here you can see that yes, it was location total varchar2 10 character. Now it is 12 character it is coming. Yes, so that we altered the existing column. Next, alter table. How you can drop a column, how you can delete a column from the table. So using this command, I'll explain it. Sorry, didn't copy, and I'll paste it here. So alter table student, drop column phone number just now we added, and we can drop it. So table altered, again describe student, and see again phone number is deleted from the student table. Next, how you can drop a table itself. So using drop table student. So table itself, it is dropped, and suppose if you want to access the student table once again, DSC, you will get an error, student, and see object student does not exist because we have already dropped, we have deleted this student table. So this is how the first program is finished.